Oh, uh-huh. You're not actually giving this to me. You're not actually giving this to me, are you? No. You're like, let's play with this. Yeah, you got this piece of wood that you... Alright. Ow! 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 You stuck your foot in my mouth! And your claw went in here. Yeah! It hurt! What were you doing? What were you doing? My mouth could not open anymore. I know, you've just been sitting there like a good little cockatoo the whole night. You're like, look at me. I was not trying to stick my foot in your mouth. Yeah. You stuck your entire foot in my mouth. Really, I got splinters underneath my tongue because of you. I'm not a bird. I'm your mom, but I am not a bird. Are you about ready to go to bed? You know, a little cockatoo? A little brew? Look at that little brew. Yeah. You made such a good piece of art. That's your piece of wood. You've been carrying it around all night. Trying to share it with me, and shove it into my mouth, and have me hold it while you whittle it some more. Yeah, you're a good little cockatoo. Little boo. Look at my... Don't worry, wait, I'll do this sweater. I do this again. Okay, I'll just watch you. Thank you. I'll just watch you. You're here. You're cute. Are you cute? Are you cute? You're cute and you know it. Are you watching yourself in the forward-facing camera? Yeah, that's pretty funny, isn't it? Hey! Now I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. What? What's the matter? I'm making eyes at you. What? What's the matter? It's okay, dude. Okay. I gotta see. It's Sorry. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Boo, boo, boo. Boo, boo, boo. What's the matter? It's okay. Pretty bird. I love you too. It's okay. What's the matter? Why did you pull more feathers out? We keep our feathers in our bodies. Okay, should I put the camera away for now? Are you calm down? Are you gonna help me brush my teeth? Okay.